प्यारे बच्चों, अभी हम पढ़ा रहे थे करप्शन और सेंट्रल स्टेट रिलेशन के बारे में। तो सेंट्रल रिलेशन के बाद में डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, पीपुल एंड पार्टिसिपेशन के बारे में बता रहा था। 5th नंबर है द मैनिफेस्टो प्रपोज्ड अ पीपुल पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप मॉडल टू इन्वॉल्व द पीपुल्स इन गवर्नेंस एज functionaries and facilitators। 6th नंबर है ओपन गवर्नमेंट एंड अकाउंटेबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स would be a priority for the BJP, the manifesto claimed. This would digitalization of government records, opening up government to draw expertise from the industry, academic and society into the services. The hallmark of its governance model would be people-centric, policy-driven, time-bound, delivered, minimum governance and maximum governance। e-governance क्या है? There is a special mention of e-governance and IT as enable of empowerment. BJP will focus on increasing the penetration and usage of broadband across the country, leverage technology for e-governance, generate IT-based jobs in rural and semi-urban areas, use mobile and e-banking to ensure financial inclusion. The manifesto said, 8th number, rural and urban development. Agriculture, rural development and poverty elevation go hand in hand. Major thrust area for rural development would be to improve village level infrastructure in terms of roads, potable water, education, health, supply chain, electricity, broadband, job creation, security in rural areas and linkage to markets. The party's manifesto said, apart from that, BJP has advocated for urban development as its priority. We will initiate building 100 apart for that. BJP has advocated for urban development as its priority. We will initiate building 100 new cities. Major steps will be undertaken in transport and housing for urban upliftment in India. Waste and water management, health service, economic revival, taxation and FDI, agriculture industry, service sector and physical infrastructure for development, other silent point के बारे में पढ़ के आइए। कल कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे। धन्यवाद।